Hello, friends. I hope you are all well. Today, I will discuss the top 5 smart portable air conditioners with you. A smart portable air conditioner is an ideal solution for modern homes, offering convenience, energy efficiency, and personalized comfort. Unlike traditional units, it allows you to control temperature settings remotely using your smartphone or voice commands through smart assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. This means you can cool your space before you even get home, saving both time and energy. Its portable design makes it easy to move between rooms, allowing you to cool only the areas in use, which reduces electricity bills and environmental impact. For those seeking comfort, control, and convenience in one device, a smart portable air conditioner is a smart investment. Before entering the main review video, we request you to please follow the page, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Number 1. Black Decker Smart Portable Air Conditioner. Struggling to stay cool in the summer heat? I've got you covered. First reason, this Black Plus Decker AC cools, dehumidifies, and fans. 3 functions in one. Second reason, smart Wi-Fi and voice control make operation effortless from anywhere. Third reason, the Follow Me remote ensures precise temperature where you need it. It's powerful. 14,000 BTU cools rooms up to 700 square feet fast. Super easy to move with built-in handles and smooth rolling casters. Installation is a breeze with the included window kit, no tools, no hassle. Perfect for homeowners, tech lovers, or apartment dwellers needing flexible cooling. Control it with your phone, Alexa, or Google Assistant. Total convenience. Ready for cool, customizable comfort all summer long? Tap to learn more and grab your Black Decker Smart Portable AC today. Number 2. Midia 8500 BTU ASHRAE. Tired of sweating through hot days in your small space? Fans just push warm air around and window units are a hassle. Meet the Midia 8500 BTU Smart Portable Air Conditioner. It cools, dehumidifies, and fans all in one sleek unit. Control it from anywhere with your phone or voice assistant. No more getting up. Adjust settings with the remote or app. Setup is easy. Roll it in, attach the hose, plug in, done. Fits most windows, no tools, no stress, no sweat. Before, sticky, restless nights. After, cool, comfortable sleep. Enjoy clean air too. Washable filter traps, dust and pet hair. Smart, simple, effective. The comfort upgrade your space needs. Get your Midia portable AC today. Breathe easy, live cool. Number 3. LXLU Portable Air Conditioner's 16,000 BTU Smart AC Unit. Can this portable AC cool a hot room in 10 minutes? Room temp 90 degrees. Let's put the 16,000 BTU AC to the test. Plug in, set to max cool, start timer, challenge begins now. Whisper quiet operation. Barely hear it running. So peaceful. Using the app, I set a 24-hour timer for perfect comfort. Remote control makes adjustments easy from anywhere in the room. Humidity dropping fast, dehumidifier mode in action. Water full, auto shut-off keeps things safe and hassle-free. Child lock on, no accidental changes, total peace of mind. 10 minutes later, room is cool, air feels fresh and dry. Look at my reaction. Amazed at how fast and quiet it works. Beat the heat, grab this smart portable AC for your home now. Number 4. Dreo Portable Air Conditioners. Sick of sweating through sleepless summer nights? Noisy fans and weak ACs just don't cut it. Meet the Dreo 12-watt BTU Portable Air Conditioner. Powerful cooling for large rooms up to 450 FT, ultra-quiet operation. Just 46 dB, perfect for bedrooms. No more messy drainage. Enjoy hassle-free cooling. Control your comfort. App, voice, or remote, your choice. Switch between cool, fan, and dehumidifier modes easily. Old way, hot, noisy, inconvenient. Dreo way, cool, quiet, smart. Set schedules, adjust temps, and sleep undisturbed. Upgrade your comfort. Get Drio AC515S today. Number 5. Drio Portable Air Conditioners. 8,000 BTU ASHRAE, 5,000 BTU Duo. Imagine instant chills right where you need them anytime. Meet the Dreo AC318S. Not just an air conditioner, but a revolution. 8,000 BTU ice cool system blasts cool air up to 14 feet away. Whisper quiet at only 45 dB. Cool your bedroom, not your dreams. No more messy buckets. True drainage-free cooling even in humidity. Control your climate with a tap or your voice, Siri, Alexa, Google, app, remote, or voice. Customize sleep curves and temperature instantly. 3-in-1 versatility. Cool, dehumidify, or fan. Tailored for any scenario. Sleek, portable, and easy to install. Move comfort wherever you want. Tool-free window kit fits almost any window, set up in minutes. Dreo's expert support is always on standby. Comfort guaranteed. Upgrade your summer, choose Drio AC318S for smart, silent, powerful cooling. Thank you for watching the video till the end. We will constantly present such videos to you. The videos of this channel will benefit you. Please subscribe to the channel, like the Facebook page, share the video, and give your valuable feedback.